Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you're keeping fine and safe in this pandemic situation. So let's begin our video today. I hope your preparations for the exams are going on fine and you are eagerly waiting for the job notifications to be out so that you can fill up and be ready for your job. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the job notifications that are out in this year, that is 2021. So here I'll talk about hppsc AE recruitment for 2021 for 40 assistant engineers and other posts. The official website is hppsc.hp.gov.in. Now the application process for Himachal Pradesh Public Service Commission HPPSC has notified for the recruitment of total 40 posts of assistant engineer and assistant officer under HPPSC AE recruitment 2021. Notification is on the official website. You can check for further details. hppsc AE recruitment 2021 notification by Himachal Pradesh Public Service Commission, that is HPPSC, has invited the applications for the recruitment of total 40 posts for assistant engineer and assistant officer posts in various departments. Commission is going to fill these vacancies for various posts including assistant engineer and assistant officer, executive trainee posts, and etc. Out of the total 40 posts that is offered, there are 20 are for assistant engineer electrical, 7 for assistant engineer civil, 8 for assistant engineer executive trainee electrical, that is, and 1 post for assistant officer. Executive trainee law, 2 for assistant officer, that is executive trainee finance, and 2 for assistant officer, that is executive trainee personnel. Now coming to the job summary. The notification is released by HPPSC AE recruitment that I already told you. Apply for 40 assistant engineer or assistant officer posts in the given website which I already mentioned. The notification date was June 24, 2021. The last date of submission will be 21st July 2021. For the city of Shimla, state will be Himachal Pradesh, and the country, as you can understand, is India. The organization releasing this is Himachal Pradesh Public Service Commission HPPSC. Educational qualification required is graduate. Functional will be engineering and others. Candidates with certain educational qualification including degree in electrical engineering or electrical and electronics engineering discipline, or full-time graduate degree in law, or full-time graduate with MBA, HR or personal, or equivalent with additional qualification as mentioned in the notification published by them, can apply for this HPPSC AE recruitment 2021 on or before 21st July 2021. Notification details of this recruitment for 2021 notification advertisement number is 26 21, 21 6, 22 6, 23 6, 24 6, and 25 6 2021. Important dates for HPPSC AE recruitment notification. The last date for submission of this application is 21st July 2021. Vacancy details of HPPSC AE recruitment 2021 notification. Assistant Engineer Electrical has 20 posts. Assistant Engineer Civil has got 7 posts. Assistant Engineer, that is Executive Trainee for Electrical, has got 8 posts. Assistant Officer, that is Executive Trainee Law, has got 1 post. Assistant Officer, that is Trainee Executive Finance, will have 2 posts. And Assistant Officer, that is Executive Trainee Personnel, has got 2 posts. Now coming to the eligibility criteria of hppsc AE recruitment 2021 notification. The educational qualification for assistant engineer electrical requires degree in electrical engineering or electrical and electronics engineering discipline with least 55 percentage marks in case of SC or ST or internal HPPTCL candidates, and for other candidates 60% marks having passed the degree from a recognized university or institution of India. AMIE shall be recognized for internal candidates who were enrolled with the institution having permanent recognition up to 31/5/2013. Assistant Engineer Civil, for this, degree in civil engineering discipline with at least 55% marks in case of SC or ST or internal candidates of HPPTCL, and for other categories you require to have 60% marks having passed from the degree of a recognized university or institution of India. AMIE shall be recognized for internal candidates who were enrolled with institutions having a permanent recognition up to 31/5/2013. Now talking about assistant engineer executive trainee in electrical, full-time BE or BTech electrical or BE or BTech electrical and electronics or MTech in electrical or postgraduate diploma in hydropower plant engineering from a recognized university or institution belonging to India with at least 55% marks in case of SCST or internal HPPCL. And now talking of assistant officer, trainee, executive trainee law, full-time graduate degree in law from a recognized university or institute with 2 years of experience with at least 50% marks in case of SC, ST or internal HPPCL candidates and 55% marks in case of other categories. Coming to executive assistant officer, executive trainee finance, full-time CA or ICWA or MCOM or MBA finance with BCom from a recognized university or institute with at least 50% marks in case of SC or ST or internal HPPCL candidates and 55% marks in case of other categories. Assistant officer executive trainee personnel, full-time graduate with MBA in HR or personnel or equivalent full-time degree or PGDM from IIMS is also equivalent with at least 50% marks in case of SC or ST or internal HPPCL candidates and 55% marks in case of other categories. So these were the eligibility criteria. Now I'm going to discuss how to apply for hppsc AE recruitment 2021 notification. Interested and eligible person can apply for for these posts online by visiting the official website of Himachal Pradesh Public Service Commission HPPSC on or before 21st July 2021. So this was all about this notification. I hope if you're thinking yourself to be eligible enough for this post, then definitely don't wait because time is very less. Notifications are already out. So if you have the eligibility criteria and your degrees that is wanted by them, then do not wait for such a post. It's a very coveted position for Himachal Pradesh. So definitely go for it, fill up the post and prepare yourself for the examination. So all the best for your examinations. I hope you will succeed in your career and come out with flying colors. So all the best. Keep watching and stay at home, stay safe and keep watching. Thank you.